Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. If you're a side sleeper like me, this leg pillow from AUVON is really going to make a huge difference in your sleep. As a side sleeper, I get lower back pain. I couldn't believe it when I started using this pillow, the instant relief I got. My back pain was almost completely gone because this pillow helps align my spine and it feels so good. I'm also a hot sleeper. And I like that the pillow doesn't get hot or add more heat when I am sleeping. That's a huge plus. The strap is a must for these type of pillows because I've used ones in the past before that didn't have a strap, and the second you moved around, it would be off the bed. It would disappear. The strap on this pillow is of superior quality. I'm plus size and I was a little worried that it wasn't going to be big enough, but I was able to wrap it around my leg without any issues. The best part I think about it is that it comes with two covers. What a great idea. So you can have one on the pillow and one in the wash and never be without a cover for your awesome pillow that you're going to want to sleep with every night. So I've had so much better sleep since I've been using the pillow. The back pain doesn't wake me up in the middle of the night. It's an instant relief product. So with the strap and the covers, this is a very high quality product from AUVON. Highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.